She drinks tea every day.
She drinks tea every day.
She drank tea yesterday.
She drank tea yesterday.
She reads newspaper every day.
She reads newspaper every day.
She read newspaper yesterday.
She read newspaper yesterday.
She sends emails every day.
She sends emails every day.
She sent emails yesterday.
She sent emails yesterday.
She runs every day.
She runs every day.
She ran yesterday.
She ran yesterday.
She calls her friend every day.
She calls her friend every day.
She called her friend yesterday.
She called her friend yesterday.
She sings at a concert every day.
She sings at a concert every day.
She sang at a concert yesterday.
She sang at a concert yesterday.
She washes her clothes every day.
She washes her clothes every day.
She washed her clothes yesterday.
She washed her clothes yesterday.
He goes to gym every day.
He goes to gym every day.
He went to gym yesterday.
He went to gym yesterday.
She cooks a meal every day.
She cooks a meal every day.
She cooked a meal yesterday.
She cooked a meal yesterday.
She sleeps at 9 p.m. every day.
She sleeps at 9 p.m. every day.
She slept at 9 p.m. yesterday.
She slept at 9 p.m. yesterday.
She writes in her journal every day.
She writes in her journal every day.
She wrote in her journal yesterday.
She wrote in her journal yesterday.
She posts a letter every day.
She posts a letter every day.
She posted a letter yesterday.
She posted a letter yesterday.
She meets her friends every day.
She meets her friends every day.
She met her friends yesterday.
She met her friends yesterday.
She drives to work every day.
She drives to work every day.
She drove to work yesterday.
She drove to work yesterday.
She waters the plants every day.
She waters the plants every day.
She watered the plants yesterday.
She watered the plants yesterday.
She travels by bus every day.
She travels by bus every day.
She traveled by bus yesterday.
She traveled by bus yesterday.
She watches TV every day.
She watches TV every day.
She watched TV yesterday.
She watched TV yesterday.
She plays tennis every day.
She plays tennis every day.
She played tennis yesterday.
She played tennis yesterday.
She visits bank every day.
She visits bank every day.
She visited bank yesterday.
She visited bank yesterday.
He hikes every day.
He hikes every day.
He hiked yesterday.
He hiked yesterday.
She eats chicken every day.
She eats chicken every day.
She ate chicken yesterday.
She ate chicken yesterday.
She rides a horse every day.
She rides a horse every day.
She rode a horse yesterday.
She rode a horse yesterday.
She buys fruits every day.
She buys fruits every day.
She bought fruits yesterday.
She bought fruits yesterday.
She swims every day.
She swims every day.
She swam yesterday.
She swam yesterday.
They sew clothes every day.
They sew clothes every day.
They sewed clothes yesterday.
They sewed clothes yesterday.
She walks every day.
She walks every day.
She walked yesterday.
She walked yesterday.
She organizes her closet every day.
She organizes her closet every day.
She organized her closet yesterday.
She organized her closet yesterday.
She irons her clothes every day.
She irons her clothes every day.
She ironed her clothes yesterday.
She ironed her clothes yesterday.
She paints pictures every day.
She paints pictures every day.
She painted pictures yesterday.
She painted pictures yesterday.
She gives money to beggars every day.
She gives money to beggars every day.
She gave money to beggars yesterday.
She gave money to beggars yesterday.
He bakes a cake every day.
He bakes a cake every day.
He baked a cake yesterday.
He baked a cake yesterday.
She listens to music every day.
She listens to music every day.
She listened to music yesterday.
She listened to music yesterday.
She treats patients every day.
She treats patients every day.
She treated patients yesterday.
She treated patients yesterday.
She drops children every day.
She drops children every day.
She dropped children yesterday.
She dropped children yesterday.
She picks flower every day.
She picks flower every day.
She picked flowers yesterday.
She picked flowers yesterday.
She teaches students every day.
She teaches students every day.
She taught students yesterday.
She taught students yesterday.
She attends meeting every day.
She attends meeting every day.
She attended a meeting yesterday.
She attended a meeting yesterday.